The distinction between human acts and acts of men is a philosophical concept often discussed in ethics and moral philosophy. Acts of men. These are actions that are performed by humans but are considered purely instinctive or involuntary, driven by natural impulses rather than by conscious choice or moral deliberation. Acts of men are typically automatic or reflexive responses to stimuli. For example, sweating when it's hot or flinching when startled are acts of men because they are not considered deliberate moral actions. Human acts. Human acts are actions that are performed deliberately, with full knowledge and consent. These actions are considered to be under the control of the person's will and moral reasoning. Human acts are characterized by intentionality and moral responsibility. For example, choosing to help someone in need or deciding to tell the truth are human acts because they involve conscious decision making and moral considerations. The distinction between these two types of action is important in moral philosophy because it helps to determine moral responsibility and culpability. Human acts are subject to moral evaluation and can be judged as morally good or bad based on the intention and circumstances surrounding the action. Acts of men, on the other hand, are not typically subject to moral praise or blame since they are considered beyond conscious control.
Kawawa naman yung aso. Bigyan ko nga ito ng tubig. Napakainit.
Laro tayo may pagtas ng bag.
Tali ko na ga! Agad kasi! Kaya naaway ka. Sabi siya si. Naman mo nga naman ba na sa'yo? Lola! Lila! Lila! Lila!
Naghahanap lang ako ng bahan dito. Pero naghahanap ng bahan niya. Hindi mo mo tubig. Dapat may mga dalang mata. Ay, Goro! Sakit nun!
Binisita ni Benzina.
Talaga nga!
Oo, tama yan.
Tama na naman. Pwede na tayo camera.